Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to simply generate barcode for products using Canva. So for you to do that, you have to come here and click on this apps. Once you click on it, then you come here up here and use the search bar and search for barcode. Good. Then tap on search. Then out of the three options, you can just simply go for one. But here I'm going to this particular option is meant for people that already have barcode for their product. And just happen here, you paste in your barcode into this box. Once you paste in your barcode, then you come here and pick from any of these styles. You want your barcode to look like this or like this, or you want yours to look like this. So once you do that, then you can simply generate your barcode. Once you do that, this is how your barcode is going to look like. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.